Audio CD 1, Track 27, Unit 4, Having Problems with the Room. Things start to go wrong in Lisa and Mary's hotel room, so they call the front desk.
This is the front desk. How can I help you?
We're having some problems in room 321. Can you send someone up right away?
Certainly. What seems to be the problem?
Well, my sister spilled some juice on the bed sheets.
Oh dear. We'll send a maid up with fresh linen as soon as possible.
Well, my sister tried to clean the sheets, but the water wouldn't stop. Now there's water everywhere.
Oh no, we'll send the janitor and the plumber too.
And then my sister slipped on the wet tile and hurt her toe.
Oh, we'll also send a doctor. What's the matter?
And send an electrician as well. The lights just went out.